Greetings, traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on Indicators at the top of the chart, search for TopstepX, click on the name of the indicator you wish to add to your chart, and click on the star to add it to your favorites, which will bring it to the top of the list. The TopstepX Zero Lag MACD indicator applies a lag correction technique to both the MACD line and the signal line. Basically a MACD, but without the weight. To customize, mouse over the indicator name and click on the settings icon. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It uses two moving averages set at different lengths, which can be adjusted here under the input section. The signal strength setting adjusts the reaction speed to the moving average line crossovers. Under the Style section, you choose the line color, the line style, and the line type. Note that the histogram may also look good when using columns.